Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen, and today we're gonna do a haul. So I went to Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby, and I've kind of started buying some things for Christmas. Okay, I know Halloween is not here yet, but we know in the crafting world that we have to start early, so we are done by when we want to decorate for Christmas. I found some really great finds at Hobby Lobby. Right now, everything in the Christmas section is 50% off. All right, so I'm gonna start showing you guys what I've bought. And I know last year after Christmas, I bought a ton of items that I knew I'd be using this year, so I didn't go crazy yet. But the first thing is this wooden tree. I love this. It's like a really cute palette. And this was only $3. Now, if you can make these on your own, I'm sure you can make like a ton of these for cheaper. But if you don't have anything to make your own, for $3, I think it is a steal. These two were my favorite finds from Hobby Lobby. So they have these every single year. So these are $2.49 and at half off, they're about $1.25, which these are so much thicker and they're a lot nicer than the Dollar Tree products. I'll show you guys what I bought at Dollar Tree that I really liked. And then I went to Hobby Lobby and I was like, I really kind of wish I would just like bought a ton more things here as opposed to buying them at Dollar Tree. So loved this, and this is just gonna be really great for like a blank. You can use your Cricut on here. I'm probably gonna use Chalk Couture. I just bought like a ton of really cool Christmassy transfers off of that site, and I'll link it down below if you guys wanna check it out. But oh my gosh, I cannot wait to do Christmas. This is the next really great find that I found at Hobby Lobby. This was $2.50 at 50% off. So obviously the regular price is $4.99, but this is huge. It is such a good size, and for $2.50, I think this is awesome. I'm excited. I feel like I should have bought more, but then I don't remember what I had, and I know I have a ton of signs from like yard sales and thrift stores and probably Dollar Tree and Michael's. I probably have a ton of signs, so I didn't go crazy on those. Hobby Lobby is very good for having clearance scattered throughout the entire store. But I did find this down the Cricut aisle. This is just a matless iron-on. It was 50% off, so it was $4.74. But we do love the Detroit Lions around here, so I thought I could just make some shirts instead of buying them. These are all super tiny things that I was really excited to find. So there is these little, it's in the paper craft section, so it's with a lot of like the scrapbook paper, but it is in like a tiny little Christmas section at my Hobby Lobby. So original price is $3.99 for these wooden gingerbread houses, and you get 20 of them. These are so cute, and I was glad to find those. A lot of these are like tiny embellishments because I loved making like fake treats last year and like fake coffees, and like normally I'm not that type of person, but around Christmas time, like I'm here for it. I loved it. That stuff is so fun to make. So I bought a ton of stuff for things like that this year. So these are a 6-piece. They look like little peppermints. And I want to say these are like a styrofoam, maybe even like just a hard plastic. These were $1.50. And then I grabbed some of these little, these are buttons, but they look like tiny cookie cutters. And there's gingerbread stars and Christmas trees, and these were $1.50 as well. And then I found fake Christmas sprinkles. It says beads. I know they're like clay, but they're not beads. So I'm not sure why but they were by the same stuff. But I picked up 2 different ones. So this little pack was $3.99, so $2. I find a lot of these on Amazon as far as like the little clay fake sprinkles is what I like to call them. But I pay a lot more than $2. So I think that is a great deal. And these ones are so cute. I hope it like kind of focuses and shows up. But those are really cute. And then I grabbed these as well. These ones were $3. But they had little gingerbreads and gingerbread houses in them. And I'm hoping, there's such a glare, I can't stand it. But I hope you guys can see those, but it is a really great deal. I also found these little buttons. These were $1.50. Little gingerbreads, which I love doing gingerbread Christmas decor. Has to be my favorite to do. I have this hutch right here, and I decorate it for Christmas time, and last year I did a whole like gingerbread theme, and I absolutely loved it. The last thing I grabbed, they had a ton of different kind of bows. I just grabbed these little burlap ones. These were also $1.50. Obviously after the 50% off. So those are my finds from Hobby Lobby. So on to Dollar Tree. Now Dollar Tree did not have a ton of Christmas stuff out, and the stuff that I did see just looks so similar to last year. So I'm sure I have some of that in my craft stash, but I wanted to find like some blank canvas type stuff for Christmas time. I grabbed one of these little trays. I feel like you can always find these at Dollar Tree, so I just went ahead and grabbed that for like some sort of gingerbread theme. They had 2 different sizes of chalkboards. Now I've always seen these little jot chalkboards, but I've never seen the larger ones. So there's 2 different sizes. I obviously had to grab, I know what I'm gonna do with this one, but this one I'm like, I could put chocolate on here, you could make a cricket sign. There's just so much glare, there's so much, like so many windows all around me. I have windows everywhere in this house, like everywhere. There's more windows than walls. All right, I also grabbed the bamboo cutting boards, and these are all Christmas time. So I'm going to be doing Christmas, I would say mid-October is when I plan to start. So you'll be seeing some of these pop up because right now I know what I'm gonna make with all this stuff, or at least 90% of it. So while I have it like in my head, I wanna get these done probably within the next couple weeks. I'm gonna do 2 more fall videos after this, and then I'm probably gonna start maybe doing regular decor if I have time, and or start Christmas, which I'm so excited for. Okay, these I was really excited to find. I picked up 3, and I've never seen these like big square, it says they're hanging like decor. These were $1.25, and it is that thinner wood. So that's why I said I kind of like Hobby Lobby just a little bit better, because you are getting like so much nicer quality. But you can stain these, and I think I'm gonna maybe stain a couple, make some really cute signs. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I just thought, I was like, these are cool. They're larger than they normally are. They're not circles, so I had to pick them up. These are pretty common at Dollar Tree. These are just wooden wreath bases, but I picked up 2 of them for obviously Christmas time. I also grabbed a couple of these mugs. These are my favorite, and I feel like these are so hard to find sometimes, especially around Christmas. So I found them recently. Well, I found them today. So it is, what does it say? It's Tuesday. So I will have this video out today, same day as I bought everything. But these are so hard to find. This is the 3rd or 4th Dollar Tree that I've looked, and I have not been able to find these. So if you can grab them and you want to make crafts with them, I would pick them up anytime you see them. And then just like 2 fun items. Actually, these are actually gonna be really great. So if you like to make cards, my family, we always make cards for each other. We kind of feel that buying cards is such a waste of money because you're spending $1 and it's not sentimental and like nobody cares. So they usually just get tossed. But if we make them, we'll all draw like pictures. It's just like something fun that my family does. So we always draw or make each other cards. But these are already like made cards. They're just blank cards with envelopes, and you get 10 in a pack. And I think that is a steal because I think I picked up 10 or 12 from Walmart and it was like $4 or $5. But I think these will be great, especially for when birthdays roll around. Last thing that I found, this is just something fun. It is like a DIY plaster kit. So if you have kids or you get them something for Halloween, I think this would be super fun. So you just make your own plaster, you pour it into these little molds, wait for them to dry, and then it comes with paint where you can paint them. And I thought that was pretty fun because it's kind of like a craft, and then it's a craft all over again because one, you're making the plaster, you're making these, and then you paint them. So I think that was a really cool thing. They also had Frozen, and I want to say maybe Paw Patrol as well. So, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of an unexpected haul. I didn't plan on even making a video, but I'm a little behind on the video I'm creating now that it was supposed to go out today. So it'll probably go out on Friday as long as it's done and I have better lighting, because you can see it is dark. It's been raining today and I have no good lighting. So anyways, if you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you stick around and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!